You have to dream before your dreams can come true. Hey, I'm Mohammad Suhail. I was born and brought up in the city of victory, Vijaypur. I pursued BTech from BLDA College with specialization in electronics and communication. The journey of my dream started from Innovatum, where I did my internship. During my internship, I found my passion in coding.
Currently, I'm working at HCL Technologies as a software engineer. The tools and technologies I work is purely based on Java and Spring Boot and a bit of Oracle Forms as well. So, as far as the roles and responsibilities in this project is concerned, so I work on the development and the deployment of the entire Oracle Forms involved the conversion of the forms into the Spring Boot and web applications. So I'm excited to work on this project as well.
Nothing is more satisfying for a person than to wake up early in the morning and fulfill obligatory rites. I start my day by being victorious over my sleep. I express my gratitude to the God for whatever He has bestowed to me. This is my daily routine which keeps me energetic spiritually and professionally all over the day and helps me complete my task at the earliest so that I can concentrate on learning and upgrading on new industry skills. I met Mr. Shaukat Kotwal, who is CEO of Innovatum and an exceptional mentor also. He is the source of inspiration for me. I get energized, full of motivated when I meet him.
Innovatum played an integral part in achieving what I had once dreamt of during my pre-final year. I was very much fascinated by the Innovatum's vision, and I had attended the demo sessions on the full stack development. I was very much satisfied by the session which was took by Shaukat sir and Abdul Rahim sir. I was very much impressed, so I had enrolled for the full stack development course as well. During the course, we had a number of mock interviews scheduled over there, and which really boosted my confidence in giving the interviews in this corporate world. So after the completion of the full stack development course, I got placed at HCL Technologies within 60 to 70 days, and I would really appreciate the kind of effort which Abdul Rahim sir and Shaukat sir had put on me. And finally, the journey from stepping in at Innovatum was really wonderful, fruitful and enjoyable. For those who are aspiring to get placed at the MNCs within the 90 days, I would request you guys to enroll for this course, and you will be having a great future ahead. Thank you so much. Happy learning.
And when I'm done with the official work timings, I go to have a cup of tea with my friends.